Hi guys, I just wanted to show you my 3D print of this case feeder. I modified most of these parts so they can interchange together. It is two designs that I combined. This is a case feeder for a kneeler and this is the Hornady case feeder. I changed this part and removed the long horn on there because I don't need it anymore. I put a little micro switch in there so the motor knows when to turn on. There is a proximity sensor in there, and I made this so it can rest on it and it's a little bit more stable. So for the electronics part, I got a motor from Princess Auto. It just a generic one. It's about 10 RPMs or something like that. It should anything from 6 to 12 RPMs would work. I probably wouldn't go faster than that. In here, sorry for the electronics, it's a little bit messy, but we got a switch and then we got a relay. So the power comes in to the switch, to the micro switch that switches the system on, and then onto the relay. So, and then the proximity sensor switches the relay on and off to stop the motor. So there you can see it was running. You can feed it, go up, picks up the new one, and so on and so forth. I designed this new pickup just so there's more shells in the line. So all I need to do is pull this out and put a 308 one or a lapua or whatever. And this little spacer is needed for 223 just because the proximity sensor can't get close enough or just by normally putting it there. So, but with 308 I just take the sensor out and move the proximity sensor out. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you again.